fans of the HBO series Insecure seem to be stirring up some mess like they always do. One of their targets right now is Ellis. On the show, his character is Lawrence. These fans are black women for the most part, and they're saying they can't get over the fact that Ellis never posts his wife on Instagram and claims it may be his publicist who's advising him not to do it. But before we get into this, take a second to check to see if you're subscribed to this channel. Click the notification bell for all updates and include new subscriber in your comment below, and I'm going to try my best to respond back to all of you. Ellis, he is best known for his roles on The Game and Insecure. Looks like his fans, they are still making a big fuss because he has a white wife. I'm not sure what he's supposed to do about that. Maybe they want him to get rid of her. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, his wife, she's attended events with him in the past, but when they look him up on IG, she's visibly absent. And that's the issue they're making here. The crazy part is the same people asking him to show his wife. These are the people who would chew him out if he ever posted her or showed any public affection towards her. And they know it's true. The only reason why they're saying this is because they want to bait him into putting his wife out there just so they can all come for him and have something to talk about. They want him to give them access to be able to come for her on a daily, basically. And that's what all of this is about. I do support people being with their own people, black people with black, white with white. But at the end of the day, people, they're going to be with who they want to be with. That's his decision. That's his wife. That's what worked for him. So that's their business. I really just don't understand why they care so much anyway. Just think about it for a moment. Could it be that Ellis is avoiding his black female fan base coming for him and his wife? We see what they did to Amari, the actor who plays Ghost in Power. What about how they came for Michael B. Jordan when he was on that boat and didn't have any black girls on there? His fans started hating him. He had to go get Lori Harvey and go public with her just to stop all the rah-rah. Or how they came for Russell Wilson when they realized he had a white wife. But when he wifed up a black baby mama, they all love him now. Yes, they want all men to be like Russell Wilson now. He's the new standard for them. But you know, Ellis, he could just be a private person and he's not interested in posting his relationship all over social media, which is a good thing today in my opinion. People need to get off of social media anyway and stop oversharing. Why? Because it's depressing them. Rapper Kevin Gates, he's the latest to admit that social media is depressing. Here's the truth. Some black women, I'm talking about the mentally unstable ones on social media, they can be vicious pit bulls. This man could be trying to protect his wife and their kid from these pits. She's not a famous woman, so they're trying to keep it that way in order to be able to live in peace when he's not working. Ellis, Issa Rae, and the cast of Insecure, they're entering into the final season of the HBO series, and it seems like the same people who prop this nonsense up may be trying to tear the show down. The character Tiffany, played by Amanda Seales, she's in a sorority, Alpha Kappa Alpha, so this character wore several pink and green aka inspired outfits. By the way, it's not the first time the character wore aka colors over the last 5 seasons, but this time the real AKAs are mad. They're mad on Facebook, Twitter. Issa Rae said they may remove that episode. And Amanda Seales, who's not a real AKA, is just her character on the TV show, she had to come out and respond to the backlash from the real AKAs.
I don't know why people keep asking me if I'm a soror. I am not a soror. Tiffany is a soror. Tiffany is a character on a TV show. I didn't write the character. I play the character. I'm not a soror. I'm an actress. And I'm playing a character on a TV show. And I think reality TV done really got focused up because, you know, it's like, it's all the same, but it's I'm just playing a character. That's it. Y'all know that though. But some of y'all don't. I feel like some folks really forget. Like, y'all may have Googled it, and then this site, answerstoall.com, answers to some, because you got these answers wrong this time. Shit that ain't true. I am not a member of the Alpha Kappa Alpha sorority. My school, SUNY Purchase, didn't even have a chapter. And by the time I went to grad school, I was too involved in the me of it all. But also, they do say here that I won a Pulitzer. So, I mean, who knows? That was a nice mistake. I mean, and I would be honored to be a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha, but I simply am not. When I am Tiffany, I do wear the letters with pride and regard and respect for those who did cross the burning sands.
Not only do you have the modern women worrying about who this man's wife is, the mother of his child, but you also have them fussing with each other. Amanda Seales, she's like one of the leaders of modern women. I'm just wondering how the real AKAs feel about the other real AKAs selling girls in real life. True story from a Georgia HBCU. Selling the girls that's in a sorority. But you know what? That's another story. Do you think the network should pull that episode from Insecure with Amanda Seales wearing the AKA colors? Also, what is the real reason why Black women are complaining about Jay Ellis not posting his wife on Instagram? Let's get the conversation started below in the comments. Shout out to Another Level Fitness, Dark Power, Maurice, and Chris. Thank you all for your support for this channel. Want to see more content like this? You can support the channel as well. Links to the Cash App and PayPal are below. Ladies, fellas, want a balanced analysis, want the truth from a woman's perspective? Then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like and share.